Yo, what up, what up? It's your boy C's from the CZLife.com, and welcome to another episode of the vlog, man. Today I just wanted to, before we get started, just want to, conclude what was today. Today was rather a pretty productive day. Ended my work day rather early. Got a ton of work done at home, and then, went out, took myself shopping a little bit, took myself out to eat, a little date, whatnot, spending that day and that time with myself. And realizing, like, when I have days like these, I just cherish them. I didn't do too much recording. I just immersed myself in this type of day because this is the sort of day that I would like to replicate over and over again. This is building up to my game day, or my perfect day rather, where everything just falls into place. I do exactly what it is that I want to do, not stressing, just easing my way through the day, wrapping it up, putting my son to sleep, doing our little nightly father-son routine, getting him to bed, and then also doing what I love, which is these videos, right? So it's just magical, man. And I realized that there's a ton of people that would love to do something like this, but they don't know how. And my advice to you is just focus on the process and the things that you can control in this particular moment. You can't change the past, you can't control the future, but the moment, right, of creating is what you can control, right? And you want to immerse yourself in the process of that creation, right? Get yourself in that mode. And I mentioned previously, like, the power of meditation, and think of it as this young man, this homie that I met this week. Excuse the sirens, but this homie that I met this week, he was talking about, like, spending 10 minutes, like a 10-minute meeting with yourself, right? And that's what meditation pretty much is. It's like you alone meeting with yourself, but in a different space, right? It's getting very crazy thinking, can't get the words out right now, but think of it as you're meeting yourself away from the world, right? You're looking internally and you're having that internal dialogue, and you're focusing on the asking of the questions and receiving the answers, right? So all the answers come through your meditation period. And then what you'll do is take those answers and utilize them throughout the day. And when you start using those answers that you receive, through your meditation, you are now a success, because success is a progressive realization of a worthy ideal, and those ideals are coming to you through meditation. So focus, take that time, very important. This is something that you can control. Everything is vying for your attention, but you need to focus the attention on yourself, right? Get the attention right back to what matters, and that matters is you, your art, your thoughts, and those answers. Those are the keys that's going to unlock that door and get you over the hump and get you to where that next level that you aspire to be. Right? So this is, like, very crucial. And the first 90-day installment, this is something that I was, like, slowly realizing. Now, this 90-day process is where I'm taking all of those fundamentals and applying them every single day, right? Every single day I'm using these fundamentals that I'm getting and receiving, and slowly I'm peeling the layers off, right? I'm revealing my core identity. My art is speaking to that core, right? And my clients are starting to come, right? The income that I desire is starting to come, like, slowly. The things that I need at the given time are starting to come. The people in my life, they're starting to come into my life, right? And this is something that you can't get any other way but slowing down, Focus the attention on yourself, get those answers, and apply them. That's as simple as I can explain it right now. As I continue to take those steps further, I'm sure I'm going to get more answers to give you. But what you need to do is focus on your mindset. All right. Mindset is the biggest thing, right? Like what you're doing, your mind is basically carrying your body all around every single day, right? So you might as well have a healthy, strong, powerful mind. You'll also translate that into your body because the nutritional stuff is going to take care of itself. The workouts are going to take care of itself. Just focus on that one simple thing and everything else is just going to fall into place, man. Like I wish I had these answers sooner, but I had to learn, right? It's a progressive sort of a step. You're not going to get all the answers all at once, and that's the key. You have to delay gratification, right? You're not going to get everything that you desire by just manifestation and visualization. It's step by step, guided, right? And get you to what you need to, at the given time. So don't worry about all the applications on what to do to meditate. Just put in a silent alarm or like a little vibration in your pocket on your phone, on your smartphone, like 10 minutes, right? 10 minutes. That's it. Like, that's it. 10 minutes a day, right? And then you have the rest of your day. Just start with 10 minutes. All right. The first 10 minutes upon you waking up, sit up, right? Be aware that you're awake, become present, and sit in silence for 10 minutes. Just you and your mind communicating. All right. I'm not going to make this video extra long. I see that the time is just very long, but I promise you, right? You will start seeing changes. Do that for 21 days. 21 days, and you will see. All right, because on the 21st day, like miracle, I just started noticing this thing and I just like kept on hammering through. And I just want to replicate those, take the answers that I received in the first 21 and expand upon it some more. Man, I'm super excited, super pumped. And trust me, man, like trust me, it will change your life and you'll start to see. And then you're going to come back to this video and thank me. But by that time, you'll be so immersed in your own process that you might not even realize where you got that answer from. But if you did attract this video, I thank you for watching. And I hope that you do take action on these words that I'm expressing and start to see your results. All right. Anyways, thanks for watching. Holla at your boy, because your boy is constantly going to show up every single day and deliver the value that I receive through my meditation sessions every single time. So don't worry about it. I ain't going nowhere, all right? Anyways, don't forget to comment, subscribe. And if you found this video helpful and you want to add to this discussion, or if you have any questions, let me know because I'll make some future videos about it. And I'll try my best to answer them. And if I can't find the answers at that moment, guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to meditate and get those answers and deliver it to you. All right. Anyways, thank you. Holla at the kid. Till the next time.